Welcome to Lecture 7 of our journey through the body's vital organs. Today, we explore the master recycler and final checkpoint, your colon. This 5-foot-long muscular tube is far more than a waste processor. It's where water is reclaimed, electrolytes are balanced, and your microbiome performs its final transformations before elimination. Let's learn to honor this essential passageway. Colon issues often develop silently for years before symptoms appear. Here's what to notice. New constipation, diarrhea, or alternating patterns lasting weeks, especially if worsening throughout the day. Pencil-thin stools that persist, like you're never quite done. Cramping, pain, or pressure in lower abdomen. More than occasional small amounts, even with good sleep. Without obvious blood loss elsewhere. Bright red blood on toilet paper or in stool can indicate upper GI bleeding, especially localized to specific areas. With digestive symptoms, inability to pass gas or stool with vomiting, especially if first-degree relative had colon cancer. Any persistent change in bowel habits after age 50. Track for 2 weeks. Stool frequency and consistency. Timing of symptoms relative to meals. Pain location and characteristics. Food and stress correlations. Initial screening. Fecal occult blood test, FOBT. Annual screening. Fecal immunochemical test, FIT. More specific for human blood. Cologuard, FIT DNA test. Combines blood test with DNA markers. Direct visualization with biopsy capability. Examines lower colon only, for those who can't have standard. Inflammatory marker, for structural issues. For functional disorders. The 30-gram fiber goal. Daily. Soluble fiber. Dissolves, forms gel. Oats, barley, beans, apples, citrus. Helps soften stool, regulate blood sugar. Insoluble fiber, adds bulk. Whole grains, nuts, seeds, vegetable skins. Promotes regular transit time. Resistant starch, feeds good bacteria. Cooked and cooled. Potatoes, rice, green bananas. Produces beneficial short-chain fatty acids. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower. Contain glucosinolates. Anthocyanins have anti-cancer properties. Sulfur compounds support detoxification. Curcumin reduces inflammation in colon tissue. Support healthy microbiome balance. Processed meats, nitrates, nitrites. Charred, blackened meats. Heterocyclic amines. Excessive alcohol. Low fiber processed foods. Psyllium husk. Gentle, bulk-forming fiber. Fiber plus anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Soothes intestinal lining. Mucilaginous protection. Similar soothing properties. Laxative herbs. Senna, Cascara sagrada. Can cause dependency and electrolyte imbalances. Drink water between meals, not with meals, for optimal fiber function. Walking stimulates peristalsis, colon's natural movement. Use a footstool to align colon for easier elimination. Chronic stress slows colon transit. Colon follows circadian rhythms. Limit exposure to environmental toxins that concentrate in colon. Chew thoroughly to reduce digestive burden on colon.